Hello, my name is Gary Butler. I work as a support team mentor at PKF Smith Cooper Systems. Today we're looking at the output mode for reports and layouts within Sage 200. Let's say you're a new Sage user and your first thing you're going to do is print out a report. So if I go in to print a simple list of accounts report, on my criteria I'll just select OK, but nothing happens. There's no message, there's no preview, there's no prompt anywhere to show the reports. What could it be? Well, there is a setting within Sage 200 on every user's system within the cog and go to choose output mode. This is where it's going to show how your reports or layouts are produced. You can see here you've got an option for printer, preview, and the spooler here is selected. When Sage is installed on your PC for the first time, and you go into Sage 200 to print a document, by default it will be set to go to the spooler. Let's have a look at the spooler. The spooler is the printer icon with the magnifying glass next to the cog. When I click on it, this is where my list of accounts has gone. It's gone into my spooler. Most people want to preview the reports once they produce them. So simply go into the cog, go to choose output mode, and go to preview, and you click on OK. Now try running the list of accounts again. Click OK, and it previews the reports. So when we go into the cog and choose output mode, you have the three options. Spooler is a location where you can run a report or a layout to, and you can go in and produce it as many times as you like there on after, as it was at the time. Preview, as we just saw, produces the document onto screen. And printer, whenever you produce a document, it will produce it directly to the printer. It won't preview it, it won't spool it. This isn't used very commonly. It's mainly used if you've got a very, very large document that you want to print out. 9 times out of 10, people would normally use either the preview or the spooler option. Simply click on the option you require and press OK. Then the next time you close and reopen Sage, it will remember your settings and it won't change unless you change it.